Do you have a deposition scheduled and have no idea what you're getting yourself into? Hi, I'm Aaron Grubb, and I'm the Tahlequah attorney at Wirth Law Group. In this video, we're going to go over what a deposition really looks like. So, first off, you're going to have around 3 or 4 people in the room with you. You're going to have yourself, of course, the person being deposed. You're going to have the opposing counsel who's going to be asking you questions. You're going to have your own attorney who will be there to object to any questions and advise you about how you're doing or any kind of tips or tricks that they have themselves. And finally, the court reporter who will take note of everything that's being said and give you a transcript at the end of it. And so a typical deposition can take anywhere from a couple hours to pretty much the entire day. We had one last week that went for about 6+ hours, and during that time, the opposing counsel asked all sorts of questions regarding our client's background, the specific circumstances surrounding the case, other sorts of interactions with the legal system that our client had, and several that did actually go beyond the scope of the deposition, in which the attorney here at Wirth Law Group was able to object. Now, when an attorney objects to the opposing counsel's questions, most of the time, the person being deposed still has to answer. What happens is your own attorney will object to the question, you still have to give the answer, and then later the attorneys will argue over whether this question and answer can actually be admitted into the record. And so to wrap it up, here are a couple of tips. Whenever you're being deposed. So first, keep the energy up. It's going to be a long time depending on your specific case, but it could take a while. And so you want to make sure that you're being focused and ready for the long haul. Second, the opposing counsel will try to wear you down and make you slip up in your questions and make you get confused about what you've already answered, make your timeline slip up, and other sort of tactics. And finally, make sure that you're keeping your answers very short and sweet and to the point. A lot of the time, tangents or stories are not really called for and can actually get you into a lot of trouble. And so if you have any other questions regarding depositions, my name is Aaron Grubb. I'm the Tahlequah attorney at Wirth Law Group. Thank you.